Today we have a Matework recess hinge hider for round hinges for your cabinets. This product works. And I'd like to thank the seller for sending it to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions in this video are my own. We're in the kitchen today. We don't have no cabinets yet, but when we do get our cabinets, I'm going to put in recess hinges. That way, I don't have to sit and stare at the old-timey hinges. It'll look, it'll make it look a lot neater and tidier. Made good and tough.
He's only going to put those recessed hinges in because, let's be honest, I want them. If you're not familiar with my voice, I'm Mama Vance. It was really cool to watch him do this with this tool. It's really easy to put together and really simple to use. It also has stoppers on the bottom so that you don't move it side to side off of your piece of wood where you're working. Not only can you hold it from going side to side, but you can also put them on the corners. So if you are doing this on a corner, you can angle it and put the stoppers side by side, just like he's doing here. Now this kit comes with drill bits. There are 4 of them, including a very, very fine one that goes right into these holes on your hinge jig. As with all woodworking, it does make a little bit of a mess. But if you're looking to add hidden hinges to a new project or a renovation or a new build, we would not hesitate to recommend this tool.